Hi everyone, welcome back to Shama Saba. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right here. So this channel is all about self-care, self-improvement, self-development. I'll talk about relationships as well as some hair care tips. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys multiple hairstyles. If you don't have a retwist like me, you can definitely pull off these locks. Make sure you guys get us a like. I'm trying to get to 1,000 views, so make sure you guys definitely subscribe to my channel. Enjoy today's video. So right now I'm spraying my hair. This bottle is just full of conditioner, oil, and water. So what I'm doing right now is I'm attempting to do a high ponytail. I'm making sure I have every little single hair that's gonna fit, because sometimes like you could just get a little slippage that can just slip out, and I'm just making sure that I have everything all together nice and tight. So here I am going to select a few strands that I want to use to wrap my hair around. You can use as many as you want or as less as you want. So I grabbed maybe around 8 or 10, and I am just wrapping around that high ponytail. I'm just going to keep wrapping and wrapping, and I'll twist it a little bit just to give it a little bit of like texture. And I am tucking it underneath the back. So yeah, that's that first look. It's just a high ponytail and wraps around the top. So now I'm keeping that same high ponytails for style number 2, and I'm going to let out a few pieces. I'm going to do the same to the other side. And I'm just going to do simply twist. And I twist and twist. And when I get to a certain length, that's when I decide if I want to give it a barrel shape. So I'm just going to leave a little space at the bottom, and I'm going to loop and loop, keep twisting and wrapping the hair around the lock. And I'm going to fit the excess strands and try to put it in that loop. If not, if it's too long, I'll just put it in wherever it can fit. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. This style is pretty good. I like it because sometimes I like to have a little bit of hair around my face, but at the same time it gives me like a little sleek look by having that high ponytail up. And I was talking to my boyfriend in the back. I was telling him, hey, you know I'm recording this video. Yeah, I'm gonna just tucking it in so it can fit into that barrel shape, and gonna do kind of similar to what I did at first. So I'm gonna grab a couple of loose locks and then I'm gonna do it kind of similar to I did with the first style, but this is like maybe like 2 or 3 locks. I'm gonna wrap it around. So there you have it. That's style number 2. This style, I used to do this when I used to have Molly twists. So what I do is I take sections off of each side. I grab maybe like 4 sections and I just keep wrapping and wrapping, kind of like a weave look. And then I'm gonna wrap it the last time on this side. And I'm gonna take those 2 and then I'm going to twist it so that it keeps in shape. And that's just a very simple, very quick and easy, if you want to go to the store look or you just have a quick errand. And this is like something I just do very, very casual. I'm just fixing around with the back part because I see that is kind of exposed there. So there you have it. That's the 3rd look. It's going to be a side bangs, half up, half down, high bun. This is a style I used to wear a lot when I was in high school before I had locks. And I'm just going to section off my bang. And I'm trying to tuck it behind my ear. Then I grab not too much hair and I just use that to make the high bun. And I don't have bobby pins, so that's why you're going to see me keep tucking around with the side bangs. Yeah, then I'm going to twirl that and keep wrapping around into a desired shape. And so I can have the bang laid down like that. Or you could tuck it behind the ear. And I made a mistake and left one out, and I realized I actually think that looks pretty cute. So I kind of left it like that. With this style, I'm going to create 2 sections and I'm going to create 2 plaits. I'm going to do the same to the other side. So now on to the final look. This is one of my faves. So I'm going to start off with section off the bottom half. So it's going to be half up, half down yet again, but with a different twist. So I'm going to section my hair in 4 pieces at the top. I'm going to begin doing Bantu knots in the front. First I'm going to twist it. Then begin wrapping around, creating a Bantu knot. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the other 3 that's left. So I'm just going to have around 4 Bantu knots in the front. I'm going to keep twisting and twisting. It gets a certain length, then I'm going to begin wrapping it around each other. With this style, I didn't use a rubber band, but if you wanted to make it more neat, you can. Yeah, that's the final one. So I'm gonna do the same thing as I did the previous 3 knots. Just twist it and begin wrapping around. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys do enjoy these styles that I came up with. If you guys have any questions below in the comment section, just let me know. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace.